Hey you guys, it's Unique TV, and I'm out here in Gyeongju, South Korea, and this is my traditional Korean room that I'll be staying in. While I'm here, we're currently on Lunar New Year holiday, so I'm gonna take you inside. They have like a little lock pad, and this is where I have to take my shoes off. There's my shoes, and they give you some other shoes. I guess you could wear it in the house down there. So it has a little netting screen. So come inside. It smells good in here. I just got here. I just like came in and put my bag and water bottle down. Anyway, so this is my bed. It's a traditional floor bed, which I can't remember what it's called. I don't want to pronounce it incorrectly. That's air conditioner, but it's super cold, so I won't be needing that. This is for the hot water, light switch. I don't know what that is down there. But yeah, I got a little tea set if I want to have tea. I don't like tea. I don't drink tea. Little mini fridge, TV. I took the waters out because I don't like, I only like room temperature water. So I took them out the refrigerator so they can get warmer because they're really cold right now. And so yeah, and then you step inside of the bathroom, and I have some shower shoes for in here. It's very short, okay? Like, I'm 5'4", and my hand is not even, like, my elbow is still bent. So, it's pretty cool. It's like I'm in a little hut. So, it's a traditional Asian bathroom where there's no glass or anything or shower curtain separating the shower from the like toilet and everything, but it's far away, so I shouldn't have to worry about the toilet getting wet. You know what I noticed? I don't see any I brought a washcloth. Oh, I see shower towel over there, but I don't see any like towel. And I don't think I packed a towel. Dang it. So I'm gonna see if they have those. But yeah, so this is it. I'll get it from the other side. So the little floor mat come out. And it's pretty basic, you know? But I like it. It's cute. It's the first time I've stayed in a traditional Korean style hotel, or guest house is what it's called. And so yeah, it's Unique New Jobs TV. Like, subscribe, share, and I hope you enjoyed my little room tour.